I'm going to show you today how to create this really nice beachy wave in your hair. I'm going to be using the straighteners. It's a really simple, easy way to create a really nice loose curl. You can create them as loose as you want, kind of messy. So if you want to see how to do it, keep watching. So I'm going to talk you through this. So basically you want to kind of create the wave that you want. So I'm going to use the straighteners. So I'm going to start by just straightening it, but also turning it in towards my neck, then stopping, turning it back out. And you basically want to curl the ends inwards, so kind of get like a wave like that. You can loosen this if you want, so I'd start a little bit probably curlier. You can make them all different kind of shapes as well. So start from the root, go under, turn the thing, go back out, and then in with the ends. So that one's not as curly, but that's fine because that's the kind of like look that you want to get anyway. The same with the other side. So it takes a little bit to kind of figure out which way you want to put the actual hair straightener, but especially if you're looking in a mirror, it can be a little bit candid. But so out, and I prefer like more of a bigger, longer wave rather than, I've seen people do it like that, but I don't think that works as well. You can obviously if that's how you want it, but find so like that, out, and then in with the ends. The ends look much better if you point them in. So I'm going to do the rest of my hair.
Having my woman there is good for my soul. I try to be strong, but I got demons. So can I lean on you? I need a strong heart and a soft touch, and the one when I want love. It's you and only you who can be taken away. The shit that I go through each and every day when I'm alone with you. You make it better again. Yeah. Your arms are where I wanna remain. Catch my hand, you start to say, hey baby, we can dance slowly. My darling, I'll be all you need. I know it hasn't been a day, oh wait, to put it all on me. Oh my darling, put your worries on me. Can't judge it cause I feel the same thing. And I'm here for whenever you need to put it all on me. Hey baby, we can dance slowly. Put it all on me. Ooh, you're there for me when I need you to be. Cause I find it hard to say the words, but some shit don't need an explanation, baby. I try to be strong, but I got demons. So can I lean on you? I need a strong heart and a soft touch, and you're the one when I want love. It's nothing only you that can be taken away. The shit that I go through each and every day.
Okay, so now that the back's all done, we're going to do the front bit. So you want these bits to come off of your face, so away from your face. So you can kind of do them. I usually think that that beachy wave goes best with kind of the middle-ish parting. So I'm just going to clip this back. So yeah, when you're doing the front bit, you can take big, small sections, whatever you want to do. That's what's so easy about it. So come away from your face. You kind of want to like create the wave, so it kind of like comes onto your face like that. And then so you see, lovely. I'm going to take this front bit in slightly smaller sections, just because I want to kind of really define these curls. With the back it doesn't matter as much, but these ones. So however you want it to come onto your face, see how this kind of like sweeps in. I kind of like it to be like quite long and then go in, and then that obviously comes. See how that's like creating the wave inwards. As you're doing the front, kind of look at how the other curls are going, so you can follow that wave. And then obviously this bit is a bit going to be around the face, so kind of follow the wave that you've done. So out, and then make sure you come in at the end. If you do it wrong, you can go over it. So I just want to go back over bits that I want to just define a little bit more on top. I'm going to do the other side.
Ooh, I can't wait to get home. I don't know why, but I'm feeling low. Happened again, and I want you to know. Having my woman there is good for my soul. I try to be strong, but I got demons. So can I lean on you? I need a strong heart and a soft touch, and the one when I want love. It's you and only you. You can't be taking away the shit that I go through each and every day. When I'm alone with you, you make it better again. Yeah. Your arms are where I wanna remain. Catch my hand, you start to say, hey baby, we can dance slowly. My darling, I'll be all you need. I know it hasn't been your day. Oh, wait, oh, wait, oh, wait. You put it all on me. Oh my darling, put your bodies on me. Can't judge it 'cause I feel the same thing. And I'm here for whenever you need to put it all on me. On me, on me. Hey baby, we can dance slowly. On me. Put your bodies on me. On me. Hey baby, we can dance slowly. And I'm here for whenever you need to put it all on me.
Ooh, you're there for me when I need you to be. 'Cause I find it hard to say the words, but some shit don't need an explanation, baby. I try to be strong, but I got demons. So can I lean on you? I need a strong heart and a soft touch, and you're the one when I want